Just found this Predator generator scrapyard. It's a Predator 4375, 212. Everything's there surprisingly. It's not even bent up. It's barely even scratched. That's the only scratch I can see on the top here. There's no dents in it. It looks almost brand new. I'm gonna look for the year on this or sometime I'm gonna work on it. But see if it turns over. It does turn over. The pull rope looks a little frayed. Does not have any compression, so I'm guessing it's blown up. But this could be a parts unit, so see what's wrong with it and see if it is blown up.